Let's see one more example on conditional probability. Let us say we have 10 cards, and on these 10 cards they are numbered from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 so on, like this. Each card is numbered like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on 10. Okay, and now all these cards are shuffled and we are supposed to draw one card from them randomly. Then let us say E is an event saying that we get the number as at least 5, right? Now the question is, given that E has occurred, which means in this experiment of drawing a card, a single card, if it is already known that the number on the card is at least 5, what is the probability that the card we draw is 10? Okay, so now E is an event that the number is at least 5, and F is an event, let us say that the card number on the card is 5. Okay, 10. Number on the card is 10. Now what is the probability of F happening given that E has already happened? So again, it is a conditional probability. Okay, so what is the question? We have 10 cards which are all numbered from 1 to 10 and they have been shuffled. We are supposed to draw one of them, and now we found out that already the number is at least 5. Therefore, what is the probability that it is actually 10? So what is F given E? Got it? Now you can do it in two ways. Change the probabilities there. Initially, if all the cards are randomly placed, and if you have to choose one randomly, then probability that any number will come up is going to be 1 by 10, isn't it? All of them are going to have the same probability of 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, so on, right? Now the conditional probability is that 5 has, or at least 5 has occurred, which means for 1 2 3 4 it is zeros, because at least 5 has come, and so these numbers will never come up. That is what is already given. And which number has exactly come, we don't know that, but then they are all equally likely to come, which means from 5 to 10 they are all equally likely. How many are there? 6 are there. Therefore I am just changing the probabilities from 5 to 10 as 1 by 6. Now they are asking what is the probability for 10 coming. So after changing the probability, what is the probability that you got for 10? It is 1 by 6. You can directly answer that way, or the other way is using the conditional probability formula. Now what is the formula? P of F given E is equal to P of F intersection E divided by P of E, right? Now what about P of F intersection E? So at least 5 and 10. So what is the intersection? See, in this one we are going to have the cards 5 6 7 8 9 10, isn't it? And in this one we are going to have only one card, which is 10. Now if I find the intersection, there is only one. So what is it? It is 10. Therefore the probability for F intersection 10 is, F intersection is 1 by 10. Don't get confused. Don't write 1 by 6 here. So when I am writing about the formula, I am talking about the original probabilities, right, which are 1 by 10. And what about P of E? P of E is containing 6 elements, therefore 6 by 10. So it is 1 by 6. Got it? You can answer it anyway. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.